Teachers, this is a STEAM lesson for this week. Ignore the date. It's an old lesson. Things were pretty busy today, so I did not get to freshen this one up, so we will use this one. Objectives. Here are our science objectives and our art objectives with a focus on art. The book is Dirt. Here's the link to the read aloud. Here are the vocabulary, natural resources, man-made materials, living and non-living, and you'll know what the word is tomorrow, so forgot to put that in, so ignore that. Poem is here, cute little poem. This one will be up on the board tomorrow. That leads into the cafeteria. So here's the link to the poem. And Jeff Foxworthy's got a book called Dirt on My Shirt, and there's tons of cute little poems if you would like to check that out. Pre-lab video is here. It's really self-explanatory. If you watch this will be in the lab. The kids will learn how to make a pinch pot, understanding that clay is a natural resource coming from the soil, type of soil, that it's very fine, and that when you add water to it, it becomes very sticky, and we use it for a lot of different things. There's another cute little video that shows them how to make a vase with a couple of handles. I may switch it out for that one, so don't be surprised if there's another video added to this one when you get there. But use the clay that's in there, and have fun with that. Take some pictures, and I think they'll enjoy. This will be easy for you to teach. Give everybody a little bit of a break. Not a lot of instruction going on, but a lot of fun just handling the clay, and I think it'll be relaxing for the students too. So very short, but hopefully it'll be enjoyable. So let's enjoy natural resources and using clay.